babies be adults in my hospital now, so more babies to inject. So if you hear your name, you come out. Be fast though, because I want to go and lick my chocolate. Be fast. If you hear your name, you come out. Christiana. Where is Christiana? Oh, yeah, come out. Okay. Oh, you are crawling. Augustina, where is she? Augustina. Hey, second Anus. They are using your bomb to wipe my shop. I have Anus. She was using her bomb to wipe, so you'll be helping her.
Okay.
Argentina. Who is Argentina? In the youth copper. Youth copper they did not do this kind of exercise you are doing. I beg, come out, stand here. Clementina. Where is she? I beg, come out. You are the second what is his name? Ignatius. You see, Allah. You don't get outside, brother. You guys will be praying Allah together. Celestina. Oh, you are doing frog jump. No problem. Stay here. Elementina. Where is she? Hey, you are riding. I guess your mother know how to ride your father very well. That's where you learned it from. Ajonwa. Oleba, stay here. Justina. A monkey. Hey, another monkey in the building. Stay here.
God have
Martina, where is she? Martina.
Dissolve.
I don't even know whether you have legs or you don't have legs. You have legs at all? Because stay here. Santina. Who is Santina? Be Santana. Okay, Santana. Sorry. Santina, where is she? Oh, you are Spider-Man. You are jumping over. I'll block all the offense so that you not jump over. Because injection, I'll be giving you 10 doses. Because the one I'm looking at you, you are able to say you don't thief before. You look like a bombastic. So, guys have heard your name. I'll introduce you to the old student. That is Sabinus, Anus, Ignatius, Augustinus. So you guys can collab together. But you guys should not give me. If you give me a deck, I give you injection. Have fun, guys. Bye. Oh, let me go and take my chocolate.
You think so? You're wise.
Where is my chocolate? Who took my chocolate? You guys have not arrived. They have started giving me headache. Who took my chocolate?
I want to hear this.
This one. Chocolate that I've been craving for since. Who took it? Who? Augustina. Augustinus has been giving me headache. Now it's Augustina. Where is she? Where? Augustina. You are licking my chocolate. You just came to my hospital today and you have started taking my property.
Dissolve.
You are hitting me. I'm talking to you. You are doing. Hey, Augustina. We are mates. It's your mother that bought the chocolate for me. Hey, Augustina.
God have
Hey, Chineke. What have I gotten myself into? No problem. You will lick that chocolate, but you will collect today. Your injection starts today and it starts now. I did not introduce myself very well. I forgot to tell you that I am an abnormal. I'll be injecting you with the bigger needle. 10 mil syringe. Hey, you lick my chocolate. I will still do with you. I thought I got no problem. Just position your bonbon for me. This is how I inject.